Okay, we're taking the video here of Hopkins Street. Try to do something so you can identify your house. I guess you'll know it when you see it. Anyways, so we're just starting off. We're right at the very bottom of the clean out here. One thing I did notice is that whoever put this in here, kind of like the white plastic pipe they put in kind of sunk down a little bit at the clean out. So that's never a good thing, but you can see it right there. So now we're at the bottom of the clean out, the backyard, and we're heading towards the back fence line. All the joints are clean. It still holds some water. The sewer still holds some water in certain areas that you can actually see better when I come backwards, that there's no clogs there, it just holds water. But I wanted a camera going forward, so I'll just try to go real slow. And you can use this as comparison to the other video. Anything you see on the bottom, that's just loose debris that was cut off with the jetter, and it's just floating, floating around it. It's all loose stuff, every bit of that. And it should all float right out through the sewer as people start using it and stuff like that. 77 feet is where your sewer tap ties in. And that was one of your worst areas, is at the very end of the sewer. But if you remember, all the joints that were filled with roots, they're all gone now. That's loose debris right there. That right there is loose. It'll float right down. See, I just moved it. It'll float right down. It's just loose stuff that we cut. Now this is another area where you hold water. Further back out there. And I think there's a third spot too, actually, where you hold water too, where the sewer holds water. What I mean by that is there's a little bit of a low spot in the center. There's a little low spot, like the pipe sinks down a little bit, and it causes it to hold water. It's never a good thing, but I mean, it's either that or replace the entire sewer. I'm just trying to go slow so we can stay out of that water. We're not going to be able to stay out of the water. That's the low spot. We're just going to have to keep pushing forward. There's no roots there, though. I know that because I've seen it. When I come backwards, I can see it. When I come backwards, I'm coming backwards right now. See? Hang on, let me tuck some in my machine there. As I come back, it actually cameras better when you come backwards, but I wanted to go forward with this to show you. I'm pushing forward again. If you want to know which direction I'm going, just look at the footage counter on the bottom right of the screen. 54 feet. I'm thinking I might go all the way out to the main and then start cameraing coming backwards. So that's what we're going to do. Maybe I'll make a second video coming back, and it might be a little bit easier for you to see. I'm pushing pretty fast. Now we're getting towards the end there. I'm going to push right through there. And right there is the city main, as you can see. Now you compare that to the video before, and you'll see that wasn't visible, okay? So there's the city main, 77 feet, 76 feet right there. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and start a new one.